Take a light yellow pipe cleaner and bend it at the 5 cm mark. Measure another 3 cm and twist the 2 sections together at the crossing point. Wrap the longer end around once and twist it together with the shorter end. Then wrap it another half turn, pinch to secure. Pull it through the center and continue wrapping the remaining half turn, twisting it with the shorter end to lock in place. Trim the excess with scissors. Repeat to make a total of 13 petals. Take a dark green pipe cleaner and divide it into 3 equal parts. Use one section and bend it at the 3.5 cm mark. Cross the 2 ends and twist them tightly together. Shape it into a curved sepal. Repeat to make a total of 5 sepals. Apply glue to the lower right side of each petal and stick them together. For the first layer, attach 3 petals and roll them into a tight center. For the second layer, add 4 petals and wrap them around the first layer. The outer layer, repeat the same method for the third layer, attaching 6 petals to form R. Apply glue to secure all the sepals together. Attach the sepal piece to the base of the flower. Apply glue to the top of a floral stem. Insert and fix it into the center of the sepals. Wrap the entire stem with light green floral tape.